Welcome to day 119 of the AI in Industry series. Today, we cover how AI prevents truck breakdowns using predictive maintenance, real-time analytics, and machine learning diagnostics. Before starting, please note that this is an intermediate video. Basic knowledge of Python and ML concepts like supervised learning and regression is helpful. Today, you will learn the end-to-end architecture, from IoT sensors to maintenance alerts, and see real cost savings. We begin with the $448 billion problem, why truck breakdowns are catastrophically expensive. A single unplanned breakdown costs approximately $10,000, and traditional schedule-based maintenance often fails to prevent these incidents. The true cost of a single breakdown is composed of several factors. Towing and emergency repair costs range from $2,300 to $6,000. Lost revenue and indirect costs, such as penalties and driver overtime, can push the total cost well over $11,000 per incident. Section 2 outlines the AI solution stack. This technical architecture translates raw sensor data into actionable predictive maintenance alerts. We will examine each component, starting from the physical hardware up to the fleet operations dashboard. Layer 1 is the sensor ecosystem. Modern trucks generate about 15 gigabytes of raw sensor data daily from various sources. The engine ECM and wheel speed sensors operate at high frequencies, providing critical data points like oil pressure and vibration for predicting failures. The end-to-end architecture starts with hardware. Data is passed to an edge gateway for processing and compression to 800 megabytes per day. It is then securely transmitted via an MQTT broker to the Cloud ML platform, which generates failure predictions for the fleet dashboard. Section 3 focuses on the machine learning models. We use 3 different model families tailored for specific predictive tasks: anomaly detection, specific failure classification, and estimating remaining useful life, or RUL. Feature engineering transforms raw signals into usable ML inputs. This involves calculating time domain features like rolling statistics and kurtosis, and frequency domain features using fast Fourier transform, along with contextual data such as odometer and load weight. This code snippet illustrates the feature extraction pipeline. We use NumPy and SciPy to compute statistical and frequency features, notably kurtosis. Kurtosis is highly predictive of bearing failure, signaling impact spikes weeks before catastrophic failure. The 3 megaliters models include anomaly detection, using autoencoders, which does not require labeled data and detects novel failures. Failure classification, using XGBoost, requires labeled data and predicts the fault type with high precision. RUL estimation uses LSTMs to forecast days until failure. The XGBoost classifier code shows a common challenge: class imbalance. Failures are rare. The scale position weight parameter is essential to correctly penalize false negatives during training, preventing the model from becoming uselessly overaccurate in predicting no failure. Section 4 covers production deployment, focusing on alert pipelines, model serving, and operational challenges at scale. A robust system requires more than just predictions. It needs an effective way to prioritize alerts. The alert priority system ensures efficient triage. Priority 1 requires immediate action, like pulling the truck from service. Priority 2 allows for scheduled maintenance at the next depot stop within 48 hours. Priority 3 triggers monitoring and planning for future resolution. In production, model performance benchmarks show real value. Accuracy is high, with 94.2% precision and 87.6% recall. The system provides an average lead time of 2.8 days, resulting in a 31% reduction in fleet-wide unplanned downtime and significant cost savings per alert. Let's now walk through a production case study. This is a composite example showing a large refrigerated fleet moving from 12% unplanned downtime to just 4% downtime over 18 months by implementing AI predictive maintenance. This 18-month timeline details the deployment strategy. We started with sensor instrumentation and data pipeline setup. We then deployed anomaly detection, followed by the XGBoost fault classifier, and finally the LSTM-RUL model with full ERP integration. The core principle of AI predictive maintenance is simple. The best time to fix a truck breakdown is 3 days before it happens. This shifts the focus from reactive maintenance, what broke, to proactive forecasting, what will break next, and when. Section 6 covers advanced topics, including model drift, which is a major challenge in fleet AI. We will also look at the future of collaborative fleet intelligence using federated learning and diagnostics powered by large language models. Models drift due to fleet age shifts, seasonal operations, new truck models, route changes, and maintenance quality variations. To counter this, a continuous retraining strategy is required, including drift monitoring, rolling window training, and champion/challenger testing. Federated learning addresses the problem of sparse failure data across isolated fleets. It allows multiple fleets to train a global model collaboratively without sharing sensitive, raw telemetry data, significantly improving the detection of rare failure events. Section 7 summarizes the key takeaways from today's video. We cover what is most important to remember and provide resources for those who want to explore this domain further. 5 key lessons stand out. First, data and feature engineering are more important than the algorithm. Second, start immediately with anomaly detection. Third, edge computing is essential for ROI. Fourth, alert triage drives adoption. Finally, always plan for model drift. For further reading, explore the NASA CMAPSS dataset for RUL estimation and technical papers on federated learning. Useful tools include Profit and Stumpy for time series analysis, and production platforms like Samsara and Geotab offer real-world case studies. Thank you for watching Day 119 on AI-prevented truck breakdowns. The full AI in Industry series is available at the link provided. Join us for the next episode, where we discuss route optimization with reinforcement learning. Let's dive deeper into the edge gateway architecture. On-vehicle ML processing is mandatory due to cellular costs, high latency, and connectivity gaps. Edge processing compresses 15 gigabytes of raw data to 800 megabytes daily, saving significant transmission costs and enabling real-time alerts. The telemetry pipeline relies on MQTT, designed for scalable, reliable communication with constrained devices. It uses quality of service level 1 for at least once delivery. Critically, the store and forward logic prevents data loss when trucks enter dead zones, ensuring data integrity for model training. Isolation forest is an unsupervised model used for initial anomaly detection. It works by separating rare data points from normal clusters using shallow decision trees. This allows deployment on day 1 with no failure data, as it only requires examples of normal operation. RUL estimation uses LSTM networks to predict the days remaining until failure. LSTMs are sequence models capable of learning temporal patterns over long periods, like the subtle degradation that occurs over hours or days before a catastrophic breakdown. In summary, traditional maintenance triggers on fixed schedules relies only on odometer data and reacts after failure. AI predictive maintenance triggers on component condition, uses a comprehensive feature set for forecasting, and provides an average lead time of 2.8 days, enabling optimized, condition-based repairs. The best machine learning system fails if the user interface doesn't drive action. The Fleet Intelligence Dashboard provides fleet managers with key metrics, prioritizing alerts based on risk. The Priority 1 alert count should ideally be low. Here, 12 indicates a backlog. The hardest problem in fleet AI is data quality. Issues include labeling ambiguity, where mechanics record replacement dates instead of failure onset. Missing maintenance records from external shops also create gaps. Solutions involve using onset heuristics and integrating shop invoicing APIs. This code snippet shows the production inference microservice built with Fast API. It loads 3 models at startup: a classifier, an anomaly detector, and an RUL model. The service processes incoming telemetry, generates predictions, and assigns maintenance priority based on the remaining useful life estimate. Building the business case for a 100-truck fleet involves calculating investment versus annual savings. Investment costs include hardware and platform fees, totaling $300,000. Annual savings, primarily from avoided breakdowns, total over $1.3 million, resulting in a 340% ROI. Regulatory compliance is crucial. The US FMCSA requires documented maintenance. The EU AI Act requires explainability, meaning operators must justify maintenance alerts. The system must generate human-readable logs and maintain human oversight for safety-critical decisions. A powerful advanced feature is the LLM-powered diagnostic assistant. This RAG pipeline uses ML predictions and SHAP explanations, combined with repair manuals, to generate clear, mechanic-readable repair checklists, streamlining maintenance workflow and ordering parts. Looking ahead, the roadmap includes digital twins by 2025 for testing maintenance actions in simulation, autonomous maintenance routing by 2026, and federated fleet intelligence by 2027 to share failure data across the industry safely. Several anti-patterns kill fleet AI projects. Alert fatigue occurs when low-confidence alerts erode trust. The lack of a ground truth loop prevents model validation. Avoiding survivorship bias means including records of retired, failed trucks in the training data. The implementation roadmap starts with Phase 1 data engineering. Phase 2 deploys anomaly detection and builds the alert feedback loop. Phase 3 introduces the full ML stack and dashboard. Finally, Phase 4 focuses on optimization and scaling, using explainability and automated retraining. This reference architecture summarizes the full system across 3 layers: truck, cloud, and operations. The end-to-end flow enables high precision, long lead times, and robust ROI by connecting ECM data to automated work orders and maintenance scheduling.